doing? Oh, my Luli. She's biting you, is she? Is she? Is she biting you?
Lula, come here.
So sorry.
Oh, I was just bringing you a hot toddy.
Kids. Okay.
Oh, indeed, in which it is our Scottish family want to say. Actually, I think that's quite misunderstood.
No, I really don't think alcohol's the answer.
Now, I've done most of your eyes and left your pants. Some men aren't bothered about that sort of thing. I saw this play once, Tennessee Williams, and there was this line at the end. I have always depended on the kindness of strangers. I've tried to use that as a motto for life.
Not better. Maybe I should go and relieve Sophie in the shop.
Well, just don't run until you can walk.
I need to, Mary. I need to get out of the house, I need to cope, I need to function.
You can do this, you know. But it's a marathon, not a sprint. Peter's on his lunch.
I know it wasn't Peter coming to see you. Alright. Look, I'll cut to the chase. I've got a question for you. Well, I have a very short attention span to make it quick. Would you consider selling your life at this place to me?